Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start at the nape, detangle a 1/2-inch horizontal section and secure the rest up. Place a 1/5 weft-centered close to the roots. Press clips firmly until you hear the snap. Once done, move laterally. Align wefts so edges slightly overlap, which avoids gaps. Make sure to leave about 1 inch of natural hair over the clips for a seamless blend. You'll feel the difference as the weight distributes. This prevents shifting when you stand. You now work through the midhead. Tease roots lightly where each clip will sit so they grip better. Install 1 wefts at the temples and 2 toward the back, staggering rows to create natural layering and to avoid obvious seams. Once a row is clipped, comb through gently to blend the extensions with your natural hair. Use short motions to check movement. Make sure to check in a mirror at head height because side angles reveal gaps you might miss otherwise. You finish by releasing the top layer and assessing the overall shape. Dry trim any ends so the extensions and your hair flow as one. Style as usual, heat protect, then curl or smooth to further disguise weft lines. If a clip feels loose, remove the weft, red-tighten the clip hinge and reseat it. Alternatively, add a small filler weft to cover a gap. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see flash or flash through, slightly tease the root.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.